guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. So this is an update of my craft room, so you can actually see the room. It's still very, I don't know, unsettled still, because I don't know exactly where I want everything. So this is how it is for now. Those are all gonna go up on the walls. Not that I want it in my room, but I gotta put it somewhere. So that's my glass desk, and I don't know if I'm gonna even have it in here. But for now, this is what I got. I had to put my table. This is that 6-foot folding table. I put it up on risers so the table could be higher and I can put more storage underneath. Now there's still a gap between my stuff and the wall because the vent is back there. So I don't want to completely cover it up. I did have my wire rack right here, but it was covering that vent. So far, this is what I got, and I haven't filmed in here, so I don't know what the lighting looks like. But there's the wire rack, and this has the majority of my ribbons. And I have a lot of things in the 2 closets, and that one's shut right now, but let me show you what's in there. Some more ribbon right here. But yeah, so far I think my other sewing machine will go up here, and I put my drawers all the way in. Got the wire rack in here with all my punches. I really wish there wasn't a wall right there, because then I would have better use of this closet. But this is what I got so far. And for now it'll do, but yeah, this is all my fabric. It actually did pretty well. Gotta work on my seat covers. A little messy. I think I might have to get a different chair, because sitting in this chair at the highest level of the adjuster, that's as high as it goes, and I'm still very low to the table. So I just want to be a little bit higher. It may or may not happen, but we'll see. So I took a bookcase apart for my son and made it a half of a bookcase, and so we have extra shelves. And I used that to go across the top of this storage because, as you can see, it's a little bowed. It's kind of old. So I put that up there. Now it's more use of space up there. I put one on here also because it is also bowing. I might put another board because I still have a few more. I might put it on there so that this can go up on top. But yeah, that's as far as I got so far for my craft room. There's still a lot more to do. This one, I don't know, I might get more bed risers and raise my table up. I don't know. So for now, my second 6-foot folding table is sitting right here at the door. And that's what I have so far. Just my extra frames, my shipping boxes. I need to get more. Some poster boards, my packing box, and those are my sewing machines. Like, I get out of the box so the box can go away. But yeah, that's the update so far. So I packed these when we left the other house. These are all my glues, and you saw how it was wrapped, and they're all perfect. So I'm like tempted not to undo them, but unrealistic because I need all this. All these glues all are going to be used, and I need them. So the more accessible they are, then easier it will be for me to use them. So that's why I like my caddy. So get these all in here. As many as I can fit. It just depends. These here. Origin. Montage, tackle glue. And these I can put these away. Yep, on to the next door. So guys, I wanted to come in and share with you my craft room, but it's not the way I want it, so I'm not 100% there, and a few of the things that I'm going to reach for to craft with are still wrapped up. So like, I had to go dig out the glue gun, I had to dig out the glue. So many digging. The other thing is my lighting. I'm not 100% with my lighting. So that's that. And then there's this. This is the one I won from It's a Deal, from her giveaway. And I just put a little sign together. It says welcome friends, but you know, I don't know if that's gonna stay like that. Still work in progress. The way I work is I have to reach for my glue. I like reaching on my right because I'm right-handed, and my caddy has my glue stick, so yeah, there's that. And then I need my tin that I usually put my hot glue gun on, so there's that. And see, stuff like this is still wrapped up, so I'm just sorry if you guys don't like that sound. There's that, and that's done. And so the papers are already ready, organized. And I did raise my craft table, so now I have to find a chair that's the right height, because I scoot up to here, see? I'm like a little kid. The table's really high. It's 9 o'clock at night, and I finally broke away from the rest of the family so I can come in here and try to set up my space. I mean, I don't know. I have something, let me show you. So I have this wire cube organizer thing, and I have part of it assembled, but I'm missing a few of the clips or whatever that join them together. So I'm thinking, I seen this, some of the other ladies did this. They had zip tied their squares together and they hung it on the wall, so you can organize your stuff on the wall. So I'm going to see how that works, because I would love to have this up behind the camera and have my scissors and other tools that I need easily accessible, like the rulers and the cutting tools. And oops, some of my new items that I purchased that I don't want to get lost and I forget that I have them. So like this, if I could find a way to hang it, I would hang it, because right now it's sitting underneath one of the shelves right here. right beside me and I can't easily access them. But anyway, there's still a lot of work to do, and I don't know. Maybe tomorrow I'll give you guys a look around. It still won't be finished, but at least tomorrow there'll be better lighting. Yeah, so thanks for hanging in there with me, guys, and thank you to all the new subscribers who've come along and shared my journey with us moving and unpacking and all this craziness. It hasn't ended yet. We still have to get my college child ready to drive him back to Texas for his sophomore year. So there's that adventure. And then was my son, my 9-year-old, he is going to start school before we even leave to Texas. So he'll be at school for 2 days, and then we drive to Texas, and he won't be back till Monday. So there's that. Yeah, I'm liking this room so far. I just want to get it organized quicker. Like, I want to get it set, and that way I can get back to my creations and join some of these awesome ladies with their challenges and giveaways, mainly just to get back into the flow and put out more videos. Anyway, thank you all for joining me, and I will see you on the next video. And come back for the morning walkthrough, because it's not a tour. It totally. Anyway, thanks guys. Love you.